guys inside. These guys, they can depend on outside. When you say Shot City, Shot City.
Of pushing the ball, having their fast play, kahit na malalaki sila.
And now Jesse Dacalos. Pass stolen. No, recovered by Puerto.
Open three-pointer. Almost there, a grabbling rebound by Suerte, and Suerte floor.
Given his advantage in size, partner, we can see that the Webmasters have small players who's facing. Oh,
Break plays. Delator. Nice passing here by Webmasters. Puerto with a shot. I thought that pass was too high, but I forgot that Rey Suerte really has some good
Basketball. You know, even if they have disadvantage in this tries, but you know, those size.
for the Webmasters, and it's new for the
Good
CIT
passing
Wildcats
side.
because they don't usually pressure the team start of the game.
Yes.
Webmasters compared to last year's, because somehow this team has really improved with the passing, just like
Legal in this game. Now Puerto tries a three, and he hits.
was playing small without Scotty and Tumba starting for the Warriors.
So here comes Puerto again with a jumper. Second. Warriors still up by 9 points. Puerto, corner jumper. He knocks it. In the corner to Colango. Puerto, that's a long two. It's good. No good. Offensive rebound by Delator to Puerto. Puerto, it's good. So who will see who will get the ball? Here comes Puerto in the corner. Puerto against Katapusan. Puerto drives, fade away, shot, and it's good! Gives it to Bautista. Tagudin, they swing it to Puerto. That's a long two. Yes.
For the CIT Wildcats, partner, who do you think would be a
Comes
great
Puerto.
matchup for?
In the game. Puerto, pull-up jumper. Good shot there. Puerto. Shot by Puerto. It was a long three. Good shot there with Bukao. I'll give that roll to Bosquirol. Now Puerto, open shot. Yes. Carlos, oh, good crossover. The Carlos spins. Puerto for three.
Oh,
Sorry, it's a long. Here's Gudilia. Decides to drive. Puerto, open shot. And he hits.
Puerto. Jumper, it's good. Rebound by Puerto. That's just experience there.
Answers and by a three.
And a nice steal and a counter steal by the Webmasters. Puerto convert.
More ball movement from this Webmasters team because they're good
Nice
at
pass
that.
inside.
See?
A steal here by the Webmasters. Puerto with a layup.
Where shots are coming from so far.
Yes, and also partner knowing that the dynamic duo of Delator and the
Wow, what a move!
Great pass to Puerto.
To Mayor. Mayor instructing the offense. Puerto decides to drive.
Wow.
Puerto inside and a foul.
Nazareno to Puerto. He drives, floater, it's good. Puerto now with 3 points. Tagapan loses the ball. Dacalos, nice pass to Puerto. Puerto with a finish.